Wala dito. Ang luha dito.
Something happened when you walked through my door. Can't imagine what my life was like before. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. I'm a dreamer, but never dreamed a thing like this. What a feeling, flying through the universe. Oh, 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 oh.
I love you, Mama. Alam mo yun.
Living the best day of my life. Living the best day of my life. Living the best day of my life.
Responsable yung ama ng inyong mga anak at Nicalis, kaya
Ilan taon na ikaw? Ay, ano yan? Patingin?
Well, actually, so I just want to say na God is working really in a mysterious way.
When you're tired and worn.
Saluhin mo.
Feel like you can't go on.
Kung di mo natatanong, ano kami niyan, so first love ko siya, first love niya ako at that time.
Totoo ba?
When you've lost your way.
Nalaman ko kasi drummer siya eh. Nagtutugtog daw eh. Di pala sa drummer. Nagbi-beatbox pala. Eh, mahilig ako sa musician.
I'll pick up the pieces.
Si Mika, cute siya actually. Cute siya. And mahilig ako sa cute. Pero at that time, so iba yung... Hindi siya katulad ng ibang babae na maarte, na magarbo yung mga. So, simple lang siya. And I like simple girls.
2012 po kami nag-iwalay. Kasi 1 year and a half lang yung relationship namin ng high school.
Isang ka rin sa ako.
Hindi! Kasi di ako pinayagan. Pumunta lang ako kasi nandun siya.
Bakit pinilit mo na pumunta?
Namiss ko siya. So,
When your heart finds a home.
So, bigla na lang kami nagka-connect ulit. And then, so yung feelings, parang, I don't know, parang biglang bumalik, you know.
I'll be by your side and walk you down into
Pinakamasaya, yung na-engage kami dalawa. Yung na-engage.
living the best day of my life. Living the best day of my life. Living the best day of my life. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The best day of my life. Best day of my life. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Best day of my life. Best day of my life.
Feeling ko ako na yung pinakamasarap ng tao sa mundo. You are my first love, my deepest love, and my greatest gift.